What happens when you follow a simple sequence? I run a small business from home, which I've been doing for 25 years. However, it's extremely unpredictable. Some months there's very little income, but the expenses stay exactly the same. I also need to retire soon. However, my pension fund is not sufficient to retire comfortably, so I need to improve my pension fund. That is why I started an online business. With this online business, I have an e-learning program that teaches me a step-by-step guide on how to build my business, and I can do my learning at my own pace. Our co-owner of the business, Michelle O'Neill, is a multi-millionaire, and she has plenty knowledge and strategies that she shares with us. The training and the practical guidelines given to us help us to build our online business much quicker. So if you would also like to build onto your pension fund, why don't you begin in the comments, and I will send you the step-by-step blueprint that I use to run my online business.